Good morning dear students, I am Gurmeet Singh, your English teacher, and today I am going to continue our topic tenses. In the last video we have discussed about the present indefinite tense, and in this video I am going to tell you about the present continuous tense, about its rules, its regulations, and how we can use the rules in a good effect. Present continuous, it is also known as progressive. Tense. Okay, बच्चे, as the name suggests, continuous or progressive, it means in this kind of tenses, the some sort of work is in progress or in continuation. So this is the main trait or main thing about these kind of sentences, that the work is in progress. So first rule is about affirmative. Affirmative means simple. First we need to use subject plus is am are verb first plus ing plus object. So now I am going to give you one example. For example, I am playing football. So I is my subject and one thing from is am are is am. Now verb first play, then use ing, and the last is object. So one more example. You are eating pizza. Again, you is subject, one thing from is am are, verb first eat plus ing, and the last one is object. One more example. He is driving a car. He subject, then verb first drive, then plus ing, and in the last is object. Now we are going to move to the negative sentence. I also efface this. Negative. First we use subject, then we use again is am are plus negation means not plus verb first plus ing plus object. So here are the examples. I am not playing football. You are not doing homework. He is not eating pizza. So again, subject, one thing from is MR, then the negation, then verb first plus ing, and in the last we use object. I hope you understand all the three examples. Now we are going to move to a third variation. Third is interrogative. Interrogative sentence, when we use the sentence to ask some sort of question. Interrogative. Okay, bachi, as I have discussed in the last video that whenever we are going to transform one sentence into an interrogative, we always use helping verb before the subject, and same is the case in this sentence. Helping verb is am, are is using before the subject, then we use subject, and then we use verb first plus ing, and at the last position we use object, and one more thing is question mark. It is very important. Okay, for example, am I eating pizza? Second, are you doing homework? Is he playing football? So again, the three examples of different helping verbs. First we use one from the auxiliary verbs am, then we use subject, and then we use verb first, then we use ing, and at the last we use object plus question mark. Same is the case with are and is. Okay, now the last variation. Okay, last variation is about when we use interrogation and a negative in a same sentence. Interrogative, negative. Again, we use is, am, are, plus a subject plus negation plus verb first plus ing plus object in the last question mark. Okay, now again I am going to give you one example. For example, am I not playing football? My dear students, I am going to give you a very simple example to make you understand. And the second is yes. Are you not eating pizza? And the last is she not doing homework? So these are the three examples. Okay, my dear students, I don't want to make my video long. I hope you enjoy and understand it. If you have any kind of problem, we will discuss in the class. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.